Post and put both are the HTTP verbs in REST API. Post and put both are using to insert the data into the database, but there is a difference in post and put. So in case of post, only data insertion possible. Okay, no update. But in case of put, we can insert or update the data into the database. So what is the main difference in that? Here you can say, like in case of post, we can blindly insert the data into the database. So while we are using the post verbs in any API, so on that time API will not check that data is present in DB or not. It will simply blindly insert. But in case of put, it will first check that particular ID is there or not into the database. If it is there, then it will update the record, else it will simply insert the record. Now with this post and put, we can use two terms, that is a idempotent, okay, and another is non-idempotent. So what is the difference on them? Generally, put is a idempotent and post is a non-idempotent. Why? Because we have a client, okay, we have a client and we have a resource. So generally what is happening, client is requesting something to the resource and resource is giving back the response to the client. So in case of put, what we are doing, we are passing a ID into the request URI. That means we are passing something API customer and we have some ID that is a 2, and we are also getting a response also in this format only, that is 2. So that means in case of put, we know what is the ID of that. But in case of post, it's idempotent. Why? Because in request payload, we are not passing any ID. We are simply passing that API customer, and it will internally insert the data into the database, and it will give me a record that is a 3. That means a newly record that is a 3. So this is a non-idempotent post, and idempotent is put. Thank you.